Hi guys, it's Dr. Anthony here again, and in this video, I'd like to show you how to use Vidnami to create high-converting sales videos for your business. If you've been watching these training videos, then you already know that influencer videos and content videos are a great way to build a worldwide audience. But at some point, every business needs to create an effective sales video in order to convert your audience into paying customers. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to use heavy-handed sales tactics or start sounding like a bad used car salesman. Instead, all you have to do is capture your audience's attention, identify a problem they are facing, and explain how your product or service can solve that problem and make their lives better. So let's now take a look at how easy it is to create a compelling sales video using Vidnami. To get started, I'll click the Create a New Video button. And this time, I'll select the Sales Video category. Now here, you'll find a range of sales video templates for different types of businesses. For this example, I'll choose the Travel template. I can then enter a title for my video, and here is where I drop in my sales script. I then come down here and click the Create Scenes button. Vidnami will then break up your text and use artificial intelligence to automatically find clips for your scenes from our built-in library of over 790,000 Storyblocks clips. You can then review and tweak your scenes to quickly polish your video. When you're happy, just click this button to continue. Now on the voice screen, you have 4 options. You can create a music-only video, use auto voice to automatically transform your text into speech, record your own voice right in the app, or upload a pre-recorded voice track, which is what I'll do for this example. Vidnami will then automatically align your visuals, text and audio to build your finished video. You can click this button to move to the preview screen. Here, you can browse our library of 30,000 royalty-free music tracks by mood and/or genre. And also add a watermark to give your sales video a professional touch. When you're happy, click this button and hit Generate. Okay, let's now take a look at our finished sales video.
Would you like a free holiday? Most people assume that they can't afford a family holiday because the cost of travel and accommodation is way out of their budget. But what if I told you there was an easy way to travel to exotic destinations with your entire family and pay nothing for accommodation? That's right, $0. My guess is you'd be skeptical, which is completely understandable. So let me explain. Here at House Swap International, we help families swap homes for the school holidays. That's right, you enjoy their house while they enjoy yours. All you have to do is tell us where you want to go and where you currently live. Our system then matches you up with families living in the area you want to visit who are interested in visiting your hometown. You make contact, organize dates, and then you both enjoy your free holiday. It really is that simple. So if you need a family holiday but you can't afford the sky-high cost of hotel accommodation, check out our website now and find out how you can start holidaying for free. Find out more at www.houseswapinternational.com. Bye for now.
As you can see, this is a compelling sales message that grabs your attention with the offer of a free holiday. It then explains the problem that many families have in terms of not being able to afford to travel. And finally, it presents a solution to this problem in the form of a house swapping service. So now you know everything you need to know to create a high converting sales video for your product or service. And as you've seen, Vidnami makes the video creation process incredibly quick and easy. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to create online course videos and training videos for your business.